Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
You're most welcome to a new era of banking at GCB Bank, where there are no long queues at the bank. Because you can enjoy swift access to your account anywhere, anytime with GCB e-banking solutions. Experience a world where you have financial convenience from a bank with integrity. A world where you can focus on your business and trust us to provide you with limitless business banking solutions that will take you to new heights. When you need a loan, sooner is better than later. So we give it to you in 24 hours to make sure.
Welcome to the 2019 edition of the National Science and Math Quiz. Today we bring you the 22nd 1A stage contest featuring Tamale Senior High School. Kajebi Asato Senior High School and Adan Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Adan Senior High School. Adan Senior High School is represented by
Mama Matthias, final year.
Shadrach, you to final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, man.
How are you?
Fine.
Good. You are coming to us from the prelims.
Yes, please.
What happened there?
Yeah, the prelims, we met Anglican, Kumasi Anglican, and then Yendi Senior High. But unfortunately, we couldn't make it, but we made it here as one of the 18 highest scoring losing schools.
All right. Good. You are here.
Yes.
All right. Would you tell us a little bit about your school?
Our school was established in 1961 and it's located in Adafo.
All right. This contest, what are we to expect from you?
Okay, you have to expect the best from us today. We're going to give our best.
All right. I wish you well. Kajebi Asato Senior High School. Kajebi Asato Senior High School is represented by
Evans Nyako, final year.
Mbemba Yahya Mubarak, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
We are doing well.
Good. You're also coming from the prelims.
Yes.
What happened?
Well, at the prelims, we met Nkwetia Presby Senior High School and Techman Senior High School, and by God's grace, we were able to win them, and we are here at the 1A stage.
All right. Well done.
Thank you.
Yes, a little bit about your school.
My school is a mixed school, and it's established in the year 1959. And our motto is Concilio A and M, which means wisdom and courage.
All right. The contest today, what shall we expect?
It's our team. We pray, we practice, and God help us. We expect nothing but the best from us.
Nothing but the best. I wish you well.
Okay,
Tamale Senior High School. Tamale Senior High School is represented by
Anjali Rathod, final year.
Lawal Sanusi, final year.
You are welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
We are fine.
Fine, thank you.
You are well.
Yes, please.
That's great. You know, I usually commend the mixed schools that field young ladies. So Tamale Senior High School, well done. You are a seeded school.
Yes, madam.
Lawal, you were here last year. What have you been up to in the year?
We've just been preparing to come back this year.
Preparing?
Yes.
Are you willing to tell us the nature of the preparation?
The nature of the okay. It was very hot, but we can't say anything.
Very hot.
Yes.
Hotter than my seat.
I think so.
Hey! All right, today's contest, what shall we expect?
We'll try our best, and then inshallah we'll emerge winners of this inshallah.
I wish you well.
Thank you very much.
We've met the contestants. They are promising us the best. I'm looking forward to it. But before I sit down, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service with support from GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, GCB Bank, Vimto, Academic City College, Adanse Travels, Kenya Airways, Accra College of Medicine, Medifem Multi-Specialist Hospital and Fertility Center, GTP, FH Akan University of Applied Sciences, Newmont Gold Corp Ghana, and InterVarsity. Our media partners are Joy News, Joy FM, My Joy Online, and YFM. This is a prime time production. Oh, yes, it is. My name is Elsie Fakofman, and I'm honored to be your quiz mistress. Thank you. Contestants, the contest, as always, comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. The questions are simple and direct. I'm expecting simple and direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If the answer is right, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty, 1 point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to do so. All questions, all of them, are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to be starting with you, Kajabi Asato. This first set of questions will require 30 seconds of your time, and I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. Simplify the trigonometric expression. simplify the trigonometric expression. Your expression, Kajabi Asato. Tangent of x plus tangent of 3x all over the expression 1 minus tangent of x multiplied by tangent of 3x. Yeah.
Tangent of 4x.
You're right. With the same preamble, Adam. Tangent of 5x minus tangent of 2x all over the expression 1 plus tangent of 5x multiplied by tangent of 2x. Yes, Matthias?
Tangent of 3x.
You're right. Tamale with the same preamble. 1 minus tangent squared of x all over 2 multiplied by tangent of x. Lawal.
We have 1 over tangent of 2x.
You are right. Next, 30 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. An Atwood machine comprises two masses, M1 and M2, joined by an inextensible massless string passing over a massless, frictionless pulley. Did you get your preamble? Again. An Atwood machine comprises two masses, M1 and M2, joined by an inextensible massless string passing over a massless, frictionless pulley. So, Kajabi Asato, find the magnitude of the acceleration of the masses when M1 is equal to 20 kilograms and M2 is equal to 30 kilograms. Yeah.
2.0 meters per second squared.
Okay, I'll give that to you. With the same preamble, Adam, find the tension in the string when M1 is equal to 20 kilograms and M2 is equal to 30 kilograms. Shadrach.
We have 100.0 newtons.
That's incorrect. Yeah.
240 newton.
Yes. With the same preamble, Tamale, find the magnitude of the acceleration of the masses when M1 is equal to 10 kilograms and M2 is equal to 40 kilograms. Yes, Anjali.
6.0 meters per second squared.
You're right. Next set, 10 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Describe divergent evolution with respect to the following. Describe divergent evolution with respect to the following. Kajabi Asato. Type of evolution. Yeah.
Divergent evolution is a type of evolution in which the same organisms from this organisms of the same ancestral origin adapt in different environments to have different physical structures.
That's
by-
incorrect. For a bonus. I didn't ask for a definition. I simply asked you for the type. It's a type of macro evolution. Ada, with the same preamble, emergent characters. Yes, Shadrach.
Okay, the form of divergent evolution, the organisms emerge from one ancestor.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Yes, Yaya.
The emerging characters in divergent evolution are homologous structures.
No. Divergent evolution generates a new species. So the new species will be unable to interbreed with the original species. With the same preamble, Tamale, speed of the process. Lawal.
The speed of evolution is high. That is, it is rapid. The evolution that takes place in the organisms is rapid.
That's incorrect. For bonus. If it's not rapid, what is it? It's slow. Slow process. Next set 10 seconds. Kajabi Asato. State if lead 2 trioxocarbonate 4 is stable or unstable to heat. If it is unstable, give the product of decomposition. Yaya.
It is unstable, and the product of the decomposition is lead-2 oxide, carbon dioxide, and oxygen gas.
2 out of 3. Yes, it's unstable. The products are lead-2 oxide and carbon 4 oxide or carbon dioxide. There's no oxygen. Ada, state if silver trioxocarbonate 4 is stable or unstable to heat. If it is unstable, give the products of decomposition.
Okay.
Yes, Matthias.
It's unstable, and then the products are silver 1 nitrate, silver 1 oxide, and carbon dioxide.
2. Yes, it's unstable. The products of decomposition are silver metal, carbon 4 oxide or carbon dioxide, which you had, and oxygen gas. Tamale, lead-2 trioxocarbonate 4 and silver trioxocarbonate 4 are both unstable to heat, but different products are formed. What may be the reason for the difference? Lawal.
In the PbCO3 and then the HCO3, different products are produced because even though both of them have the same anion, that's CO3 2-, the Pb2+ and then the Ag2+ have different sizes, so they have different polarization power. So the extent to which they will polarize the CO3 2- ion will be different, thereby leading to the production of different products.
That's incorrect. For bonus. Okay. So they both give metal oxide and CO2 initially, right? So both of them will do that. But the silver 1 oxide, that is Ag2O, is unstable to heat, whereas PbO is stable. So the Ag2O will decompose further to give the metal and oxygen gas, whereas the PBO will not do that. That's the difference. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Find the sum of the interior angles of the given polygon in radians. Find the sum of the interior angles of the given polygon in radians. Kajabi asato dodecagon. Yeah.
10 pi radians.
You're right. Ada nonagon. Matthias.
7 pi radians.
You're right. Tamale icosagon. Lawal.
18 pi radians.
You're right. Next set, 30 seconds. Kajabi Asato. Find the rate at which a 20 ohm resistor generates heat when a current of 0.5 amperes flows through it. Yeah.
5.0 joule per second.
I'm not accepting that for a bonus. They made it. Okay, go ahead.
5 joule per second.
Okay. Five watts. 5 watts. What was wrong with your answer? Yeah. What was wrong with your answer?
The significant figures.
Too many significant figures.
Why you gave 20?
Check the question. All right, Ada. Find the resistance of a resistor which dissipates heat at a rate of 20 watts when a current of 0.5 amperes flows through it. Yes, Shadrach.
80 ohms.
Yes. Tamale. Find the rate at which a 24 ohm resistor generates heat when a current of 0.5 amperes flows through it. Lawal.
We have 6.0 watt.
That's incorrect. Yes, Shadrach.
6 watts.
6 watts. You understand, right? Good. Next set, 10 seconds with a preamble to all schools. Preamble. Distinguish between algae and fungi with respect to the following. Distinguish between algae and fungi with respect to the following. Kajabi Asato, type of nutrition. Yes, Yaya.
The type of nutrition in the algae is the photosynthetic nutrition. And the type of nutrition in the fungi is saprophytic.
I'm not accepting that for a bonus. Algae are autotrophs, whereas fungi are heterotrophs. Ada, reserve food material. Shadrach.
Algae reserve food material as starch, while fungi does not reserve food materials.
2. Yes. For algae, it's starch. For fungi, it's glycogen. Tamale, common habitat. Lawal.
The fungi usually are found on substrates such as bread, that is food that are usually going to become rotten. And then the algae are found in the environment, usually at moist environments.
I'll give you 1. Algae are mostly aquatic, whereas fungi are mostly terrestrial. You're giving specific examples there. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds. Kajabi Asato. A pesticide of molar mass 124 gram is sold to farmers as 0.100 mole per decimeter cubed aqueous solution. Before its application, every 50.0 centimeter cubed has to be diluted to 2.00 decimeter cubed. What is the concentration in parts per million of the diluted pesticide? For bonus, the right answer is 310 parts per million. Ada, 200 centimeter cubed of 0.360 mole per decimeter cubed H2SO4 solution are diluted to 1.00 decimeter cubed, and 10.0 centimeter cubed of this further diluted to 100 centimeter cubed. What is the concentration of the final solution in mole per decimeter cubed with respect to H+ ions?
You want to have a second? Okay.
Is your hand up? Matthias, go ahead.
This one, please. Okay, now we have 0.184 mole per decimeter cube.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you, please? Lawal?
1.44 times 10 exponent -3 mole per dm cube.
That's incorrect. You misplaced your decimal point. The right answer is 0.0144 mole per decimeter cubed. Your own question. 300 centimeter cubed of 0.100 mole per decimeter cubed HCl solution are added to 200 centimeter cubed of 0.120 mole per decimeter cubed NaOH solution. The resultant solution is diluted to give a total volume of 2.00 decimeter cubed. What is the concentration in mole per decimeter cubed of Na plus in the 2.00 decimeter cubed solution? Yes, Lawal.
3. Madam, we have 0.00800 mole per dm cube.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is 0.0120 mole per decimeter cubed. And that's the end of the first round.
At Central University, we are not just giving theoretical knowledge, but also real-life practical immersion. Our projects and research are targeted at solving real-life problems within our built and a natural environment. My name is Che Joseph Bafo, an architecture student. The faculty and facilities available to us make us industry ready. The project I'm working on recently won an award when my colleagues and I visited the Netherlands. Central University makes you industry ready.
At the end of the first round, Tamale Senior High School has 10 points. Kajabi Asato Senior High School has 11 points. Adan Senior High School has 14 points. Four more rounds to go. Round 2. This round is also known as the speed race. The questions in the round are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer a question, you must ring for it. May I hear your bell, Tamale Senior High School? Thank you. Yours, Kajabi Asato. Thank you. And yours, Adan. Thank you. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. But be very careful, because if you attempt to answer a question and you get it wrong, or you are unable to provide an answer, you lose a precious point. For questions which require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have a maximum of 10 seconds. Best wishes, everyone. First set of questions, 30 seconds each. First one. What is the intensity transmitted by a linear polarizer when circularly polarized light of intensity 2.0 watt per meter squared is incident on it? Which of you, please? Yes, Shadrach?
4.0 watts.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 1.0 watt per meter squared. Next one. A node of a circuit has 3 branch currents, 2 of which are 2.0 amperes and negative 1.4 amperes. What is the other branch current? Which of you, please? Anjali?
0.6 amperes.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, Kajabi Asato. No, it wasn't you. Okay, Shadrach.
You have 3.4 ampere.
That's incorrect. The right answer is negative 0.60 amperes. Next one. Find the magnitude of the force needed to maintain the constant speed motion of a 3.00 kilogram object moving at 12.0 meters per second. All right, which of you? Yaya?
36.0.
No. I'm going off to Ada. Yes, which of you? Matthias?
Okay, we have 30.0 Newton.
No, it's not. So I continue reading the question. Moving at 12.0 meters per second in a circle of radius 0.500 meters. Which of you, please? Lawal.
We have 864 newtons.
You are right. "30 seconds for this next set. Find the value of x if x minus 2, 2x plus 2, x plus 12 are consecutive terms of a linear sequence. Shadrach?
X is equal to 7.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you? Evans?
S is 7.
That's incorrect. X is 3. Find the coordinates of the image of the point P, which has coordinates 2, 5, after reflection in the line Y is... Yeah, go ahead. Lawal.
We have the image is 5, 2.
That's incorrect. Reflection in the line Y is equal to 6. Shadrach.
We have the image to be 2.7.
Yes. Find the term without x in the expansion of x squared plus 1 over x, all raised to the power 9. Okay, you made it. Lawal.
We have 84.
Yes. Next set, 10 seconds each. State the circumstance under which the prevalence of a vestigial structure may increase in a population. Oh, if it is advantageous to the population. Very obvious, right? Yes. I'm happy you agree. Hold fast. Stipe and frond constitutes the plant body of which group of algae? Yes, Shadrach.
Okay, we have green algae. Green algae.
That's incorrect. Yes, Yaya.
The brown algae.
You are right. Next one. Toxic agents present in food that interfere with the synthesis of thyroxine will result in the development of what disease? Yaya?
The cretinism.
No. Yes, which of you, please? Lawal.
Will result in the development of the goiter.
Yes. Last set. 30 seconds each. First one. 70.0 grams of a radioactive substance of half-life 12.0 years is being kept in a science museum. The substance decays to give a stable product. What mass of it will still be radioactive after 60.0 years? Yes, which of you? Yaya?
4.35 grams.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 2.19 gram. Next one. Calculate the rate constant of a first-order reaction whose half-life is 10.0 minutes. Yes, Lawal. Go.
We have 3. 1.16 times 10 exponent minus 2 per second.
That's incorrect. Oh, Ada, go ahead.
Okay, we have the rate constant to be 1.155 by 10 in the minus 7 per second.
No. You also ran Kajabia Sato.
The rate constant is 1.155 times 10 to the power negative 2 per second.
No, that's not different from what these people told me. The right answer is 1.16 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 per second. All right, last one. For a first order reaction of half-life 10.0 minutes, calculate the instantaneous rate of the reaction when the concentration of the reactant is 0.0200 mole per decimeter cubed. Which of you, Yaya?
We have 2.30 times 10 to the power negative 5 mole per decimeter cube second.
No. The right answer, 2.31 times 10 raised to the power negative 5 mole per decimeter cube second. And that's the end of the second round. Please keep them covered. Don't turn over until I ask you to turn over.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why.
At the end of the second round, KJB Asatu Senior High School has 7 points. Ada Senior High School has 10 points. Tamale Senior High School has 13 points. We are at the top of round 3. This is what is at stake in this round. It's the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. The Star is an award given to any school that earns a perfect score of 10 points in the round. The award is worth 600 Ghana cedis to every member of such a team. That means 600 Ghana cedis to each of the 3 students in the team and 1 teacher in the team, making a total of 2,400 Ghana cedis to the team that earns the star. Something to work for, right? Good. All right. So round 3, the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you will have 3 minutes to present an answer from your school. As I have mentioned, the problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Explain the advantage that populations of sexually reproducing organisms have over asexually reproducing organisms. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and present your answers. Thank you. Is your school name there? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse and the full benefit falls off. We have introduced the no-lapse guarantee on our funeral plans. This ensures that you don't lose your full benefit during challenging financial moments. Prudential, always listening, always understanding.
Ready. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the boards as you have them here. Thank you. Thank you. Hey. What is this word? What is this word? Please reproduce it there. Thank you. The contestants have presented their answers. Before I award the points, let's look at the suggested solution from the consultants. This is a problem from biology. Contestants were to explain the advantage that populations of sexually reproducing organisms have over asexually reproducing organisms. This is the suggested solution. The offspring of sexually reproducing organisms are all genetically unique. Because of this, sexually reproducing organisms may have more successful survival of offspring in environments that change than asexually reproducing organisms whose offspring are all genetically identical. So the idea of having variation, variability, very, very important. All right. In addition, the rate of adaptation of sexually reproducing organisms is higher because of their increased variation. This may allow sexually reproducing organisms to adapt more quickly to competitors and parasites who are evolving new ways of exploiting or outcompeting them. All right, so the whole idea behind this is variability, the uniqueness of the offspring from sexually reproducing organisms, right? Genetically unique versus genetically identical. So the idea of variability was worth generally 2 points. And this makes a difference to changes in the environment. So changes in the environment, the way their habitat changes, and the way they respond to that, very important. If you mention something about the environment and how these variabilities are helping them to adapt to changes in the environment, not just the environment, changes in the environment. There's also changes in competitors, changes in parasites, so changes in the other elements of the environment that they need to adapt to, okay? All right, so if you were able to mention the variability, that was 2 points, and then the rest of the points were divided between the changes in environment and the response to changes in competitors and parasites. All right, let's see what the contestants did. At Senior High School, you do mention variety, and for that I give you 2 points. But many of the things you have there are actually quite seriously flawed. Just imagine, human beings, we are sexually reproducing, right? How can you say individuals and offsprings from sexually reproducing organisms are resistant to disease? Are we resistant to disease? New species of organisms are formed from generation to another. I hope my next generation is the same species as me. Individuals are healthier, not necessarily. Okay, so the things you are saying there really don't help to answer the question. So I leave you with your 2 points. Kajabia Sato, similar situation. You do mention variability, and so I'm giving you 2 points for that. But then the rest of the things, honestly, don't really go directly towards addressing the issues that I was looking for. So you also have 2 points. Tamale. Tamale, you do mention variability. You actually use, I think, genotypes. You are talking about genotypes, different genotypes. Okay, so the 2 points are yours. Then I added 1 point for hybrid vigor in sexually reproducing organisms, thereby leading to the heterozygous genotypes. So you have 3, because you didn't address the issues of the changing environment and the changing competitors. All right, so 3 out of 10. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3. You may pick up your notepads. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to present you with statements. When you receive a statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case the statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If right, 2 full points. If not, there's that penalty. Best wishes, everyone. This time I'm starting with you, Adan. Your statement. The rate of transpiration increases when stomata open during the night. Shadrach.
False.
You're right. Tamale. The rate of transpiration increases when the weather changes and the air becomes drier. Anjali.
True.
Yes. The rate of transpiration is high in plants with thick cuticular wax. Yeah.
It's false.
You're right. There is intermolecular hydrogen bonding in pure propene. Shadrach.
False.
Yes. Addition of water to propanone does not alter the intermolecular forces operating in the system. Anjali.
False.
You're right. There are strong ionic forces in liquid mercury. Yeah.
It's false.
You're right. The angular velocity of a uniformly rotating disk is a vector parallel to the axis of the disk. Shadrach.
False.
No, that's a true statement. The displacement of a point on a uniformly rotating disk is always perpendicular to the angular velocity of the disk. Anjali.
False.
No, that's a true statement. The velocity of a point on a uniformly rotating disk is always perpendicular to the angular velocity of the disk. Yeah.
It's true.
You're right. The equation y is equal to pi x expresses a direct variation. Shadrach.
True.
Yes. The equation 3 over x is equal to 4 over y expresses a direct variation. Anjali.
True.
Yes. The equation y is equal to negative 3x plus 5 expresses a direct variation. Yeah.
It's false.
Yes. Protozoa and helminths are two types of eukaryotic organisms with a lower organization. Shadrach.
False.
No, that's a true statement. Protozoa and helminths are both infectious organisms that are ectoparasites. Yes, Anjali?
False.
Yes. Protozoa and helminths can multiply inside the body of their host, and their transmission occurs through the fecal-oral route. Yeah.
It's true.
Yes. The ionic character of the hydrides of group 5 or 15 elements increases down the group. Shadrach?
True.
Yes. The ionic character of the bonds between hydrogen and the elements in a period decreases smoothly from left to right. Anjali?
True.
No. All ionic hydrides react with water to give alkaline solutions, and all covalent hydrides react to give acid solutions. Yeah.
It's false.
You're right. Ultrasonic waves are high-intensity sound waves that penetrate tissues and can be used for imaging. Yes, Shadrach?
True.
No. That's a false statement. Ultrasonic waves are inaudible to the normal human ear. Anjali?
True.
Yes. Ultrasonic waves are so-called because they propagate at a speed greater than the speed of normal sound waves. Yeah.
It's false.
Yes. Last set of statements for the round. There's a preamble to all schools. Preamble. When I get to your school, I will give you an equation. The equation represents a circle. I hope you got the preamble. All right. So, Ada, x squared plus y squared plus 2xy is equal to 10. Shadrach?
False.
You're right. Two x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Anjali? Yes. Last statement with the same preamble. X squared minus y squared plus 4x plus 6y is equal to 25. Yes, Yaya?
It's false.
You are right. And that's the end of the fourth round.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
there's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse.
At the end of the fourth round, Ada Senior High School has 19 points. Kajabi Asatu Senior High School has 25 points. Tamale Senior High School has 26 points. Round 5. The contest will be decided in this fifth and final round. Let's finish hard. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you must ring for it. Let me hear your bell, Tamale. Thank you. Yours, Kajabi Asato. Thank you. And yours, Ada. Thank you. When you ring, your answer must be ready. I will not wait for you to compose an answer at that time. There are 4 riddles in all. Best wishes to all schools. First one. I am a vector quantity. I am a field quantity that varies in space and time. I originate from a force, but I'm not a force. Yes, Yaya?
Gravitational potential.
No. I continue. I am indeed the force on a unit positive. Yes, which of you? Shadrach.
We have electric potential.
I'm not accepting that. I am indeed the force on a unit positive test charge. One of my SI units is volt per meter. So who am I? Yes, Lawal.
Electric field strength.
Anyone? Yes, it's electric field. The clues told you that I am a field. Electric field. Next one. I am a geometric entity. I am generally undefined. I have only length and nothing else. Yes, Shadrach.
Line.
Yes. They solved the riddle on the third clue, 3 points. Next one. I am an organic compound. I have carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms in my molecules. I trust that I am a good candidate for a lesson on intermolecular hydrogen bonding. I have an appropriate functional group on each of my 3 carbons. I am hardly synthesized. Yes, Shadrach.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, propan triol.
Yes. I was reading the fifth clue. I was reading the fifth clue. 3 points. Last one. I was the first protein to have my three-dimensional structure revealed by X-ray crystallography. The color that meat takes is partly determined by the degree. Yes, Lawal.
Myoglobin.
You are right. They solved the riddle on the second clue, 4 points. And that's the end of the fifth round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Adan Senior High School has 25 points. Kajabi Asatu Senior High School has 25 points. Tamale Senior High School has 30 points. Adan Senior High School and Kajabi Asatu Senior High School, thank you for being here and for giving us a good contest. Unfortunately, we must say goodbye at this stage. All the best to you. All the best. Tamale Senior High School, congratulations on winning the contest. That was a close shave. Prepare well, and I look forward to seeing you at the quarterfinals. Well done. Viewers, we've come to the end of another 1A stage contest. Before we leave, I would like to acknowledge our sponsors. The National Science and Math Quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service with support from GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, GCB Bank, Vimto, Academic City College, Adanse Travels, Kenya Airways, Accra College of Medicine, Medifem Multi-Specialist Hospital and Fertility Center, GTP, FH Aachen University of Applied Sciences, Newmont, Gold Corp Ghana, and InterVarsity. Our media partners are Joy News, Joy FM, My Joy Online, and YFM. This is a prime time production. Viewers, thank you very much for joining us for this contest. Please make plans to be with us next time when we bring you KNUST Senior High School, Buamponsem Senior High School, and Northern School of Business. Thanks again and see you next time. Bye.
Here's innovation from Goyle that takes you further. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes have been expertly crafted with the latest in liquid engineering technology, highly advanced for modern engines, prolongs oil change intervals, save you fuel, clean, protect and enhance engine performance. The way engines work has become complex, and Goyle has innovated to stay ahead with expertly crafted lubricants that work excellently with all petrol and diesel engines of today. New Goyle Super Synthetic 5W20 and 5W30 lubes. Innovation that takes you further. Goyle. Good energy.
You're most welcome to a new era of banking at GCB Bank, where there are no long queues at the bank. Because you can enjoy swift access to your account anywhere, anytime with GCB e-banking solutions. Experience a world where you have financial convenience from a bank with integrity. A world where you can focus on your business and trust us to provide you with limitless business banking solutions that will take you to new heights. When you need a loan, sooner is better than later. So we give it to you in 24 hours to make sure the experience is memorable. Whatever you need, sir, we have an exceptional team of diverse professionals ready to serve you with a smile. Trust us with your money. We are bigger, better, safe, and ready to take you places beyond banking.
GCB Bank, your bank for life.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse and the full benefit falls off. We have introduced the no-lapse guarantee on our funeral plans. This ensures that you don't lose your full benefit during challenging financial moments. Prudential, always listening, always understanding.
Central University, we are not just giving theoretical knowledge, but also real-life practical immersion. Our projects and research are targeted at solving real-life problems within our built and a natural environment. My name is Che Joseph Bafo, an architecture student. The faculty and facilities available to us make us industry ready. The project I'm working on recently won an award when my colleagues and I visited the Netherlands. Central University makes you industry ready.